When we used to go out to restaurants for having our breakfast, lunch, or dinner with our friends and family before lockdown, and inshallah, we will go again post lockdown and after the end of COVID pandemic. When we consume unhygienic or toxic food, our health suffers from issues like food poisoning, and then we spend a lot of money on restoring our health. To my YouTube channel, this is me Ismat Sheikh here with my another video. In my today's video, I am going to talk about what are the laws in India against adulteration of food. So, as this topic is a huge topic, I have divided this topic into some question and answer type. So, the questions which I will cover is, what do you understand by food adulteration? What is the meaning of it? Then, under which act food adulteration is governed in India? And what is the exception of this act? Also, where to complain when food article is found to be adulterated? And what punishment are given for the adulteration food under the law in India? I hope you will enjoy this video and you will come to know something which you weren't aware of it. Please hit the like button if you will like it, and do subscribe to my channel for getting latest notification of my latest videos. So, let's get started. Let's deal with question number 1. What do you understand by food adulteration? So friends, food adulteration is the process of adding an unnatural or inorganic element to the food which looks similar to the original product and is really hard to distinguish. Consumption of adulterated food affects health adversely. Food could be adulterated by adding chemicals, color, food polish, and other substances for increasing the vendors' and manufacturer benefits. For example, let's take the example of apple vendor. For increasing the sale of the apple, they apply a layer of wax over the outer surface of the apple, which makes the apple look shiny and attractive. This application of wax over the apple makes it unhealthy for the consumption. Such activity is known as adulteration of food. In India, food adulteration is governed by Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. And the exception for this is under section 4M of the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, food articles will be not considered adulterated when some ingredients of food article contains in excess of the prescribed amount which is not hazardous for consumption. For instance, when sweet vendor adds sugar more than prescribed quantity, it will not considered as adulterated under this act, as sugar is not hazardous for the consumption. Question number 3. Where to complain when a food article is found to be adulterated? I found a food article which is adulterated. So where would I complain for it? When a food article is found to be adulterated, there is 3-tier complaint redressal system where a consumer can complain. First tier is the shopkeeper or manufacturer from where a consumer have purchased food or drink for consumption. Second tier is the local health authority of district or commissioner of the food safety of the state or union territory. Third tier is consumer forum. Consumers can also file complaint through an online portal named the Advertising Standard Council of India. And the last question for the day, and the last part of the day, what punishment are given for the adulteration of food under the law? When any manufacturer sells, distributes, imports or stores any food article which is adulterated, he or she will be liable under section 16 of Prevention of Food Adulteration, that is PFA Act 1954, and will also be punishable with the imprisonment for 6 months and with a fine of ₹1,000 under section 272 of IPC for selling adulterated food or drink which are hazardous for health consumption. The punishment could also extend depending on the grievance of the act done by the manufacturer or the vendor. I would conclude by saying food adulteration is heinous crime that leads to serious health conditions, and as a consumer we need to be aware of what we are consuming and the laws that are related to the food adulteration in India, so that we can take actions against those who are practicing food adulteration. That's it for the day, friends. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and bye-bye. Friends, before ending this video, I thought of putting a short film which is made by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, that is FSSAI. Please do check this short film and share it with your loved one as well. Thank you. Bye now.